Hi, I'm Mika from Sourcing Yuan. Every day we help international buyers navigate the Chinese market safely. Most of the customers cares about the supplier they made are true or not. So today, let's talk about the red flags for scam suppliers. The many features shows it's a totally business scammers. The first one is it's too good to be true pricing. If a quote is dramatically lower than the market average, be cautious. Often it means it's hidden costs, inferior materials, or worse, a deposit scam. The second one is no verifiable company details. A real supplier should have a registered business name, a physical address, and proper license. Always ask for a business license and verify it. The third one, poor communication. The scammers often avoid detailed questions, can't provide a clear contract, or rush you to pay. A professional supplier communicates clearly and gives you time to decide. The fourth one, no on-site presence or quality control. If they refuse a factory visit or avoid third-party inspection or can't share real production photos, it's a major warning sign. But at Sourcing Yuan, we protect our clients by visiting factories, checking credentials, and managing quality control, so you don't have to worry. So do you want a trusted partner in China? Visit our website or contact us below. Stay safe and source smart. Thank you for watching.